For me, purpose is really the opportunity to use design as a way to serve the community.
I see my purpose as a problem solver, to understand the context, to be able to work with others and collaborate.
You know, the most satisfying thing about being an architect is that I know I can help people.
And as corny as it sounds, to leave the world a better place than the way you found it.
I do see the possibility of architecture as a way of healing the environment through empirical evidence, all the things you might associate with a doctor.
As an individual, I see myself as an innovator, constantly seeking ways to improve my craft.
As an educator, I try to bring on the next generation of architects.
I hope to be a part of catalyzing the profession in a new direction that really makes us strong and nimble.
Then it became more aspirations about how do I contribute to the built environment my own way.
I hope to make a difference in the lives of the people that I serve. And I do that through creating inspired spaces that help people do their best work. I do that through being stewards of resources, both our collective resources and those of our clients, and through creating spaces that build and foster community.
I'm kind of a local guy, so I feel like my role is to improve our culture or our environment here in our metropolitan area.
I became an architect so that I could create places that make everyone feel welcome.
It's all about passion, poetry, and style.
I was very fortunate early on in my career to have a lot of really great mentors, and I hope to leave that legacy with the young people that I work with.
I've been really interested in the connection between education and architecture. In 2011, I worked with my friend Espina Strategakis and Mattel on the design and launch of Architect Barbie.
I think it's really about creating history every day, because that's really what we do.
What I always really hoped to do was to form partnerships with good clients and use the power of design to reimagine existing buildings into new life.
To educate them about things they don't know about architecture, to listen to them and fulfill their desires while at the same time teaching them how something could be better. And if we do that well, we will produce generations of people who demand great design in all things.
I think that this generation of young people are certainly very smart. They're very attuned to social understandings, to changing the world. And I think that they will do just that in their own way. They will each set out to change the world.
You know, what I hope to accomplish as an architect is constantly changing. And that's the story that's remaining to be told. So this early on in my career, I feel like I've contributed something, but I hope to contribute a great deal more. With resilience, the impact of the environment, and all that's ahead of us, that's where we need to go.